My video guide is dedicated to help you remove fake browser update alerts that might come from the website Loadquickheavilytheproduct.vip. Loadquickheavilytheproduct.vip is a deceptive site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This particular website displays fake alerts that try to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions into the Google Chrome browsers. This extension, if installed, may hijack some crucial browser settings without the customer's permission. It may also sometimes function as adware that may periodically shows numerous advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So, if you see these pop-ups by the site Loadquickheavilytheproduct.vip, you should not install any extensions promoted by means of these pop-ups. And if any extensions were mistakenly installed, you should immediately undertake the measures and get rid of them from the Google Chrome. Otherwise, your browser will be hijacked or it may be infected by adware that will keep disturbing your screen with numerous ads. To remove these ads and to remove the unwanted extensions, you should access the menu, click on More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions which were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome. I also recommend researching your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green button, download the software, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting and eliminating any hidden threats from the computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.